Hey guys, welcome back to Impossibly Kosher. Today I have an incredible treat for you. Sponsored by Impossible Foods, we're bringing the Impossible Burger. Impossible Foods is a company that makes impossible meats. It's basically plant-based alternatives to your traditional minced meat. They claim that it tastes and cooks just like minced meat. And today, I'm gonna put that to the test. Got 2 packs of minced meat, gonna make incredible hamburgers. Why burgers? Because there's nowhere to hide the flavor. Get ready, here we go. And on top of it, we're going to be making our own buns. Let's get to it.
A good burger needs a great bun, so let's start with that. Starting with a cup of room temp water, add a teaspoon and a half of instant yeast, then half a cup of flour. And mix it well until it's a nice and creamy consistency. Oh, there we go. Cover with saran wrap and set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now in another bowl, add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, 3 big tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and crack 1 large egg inside. Just gonna throw that away. Whisk it very well, and keep on whisking until you have all those ingredients nice and mixed together. Once done, time to uncover the yeast mixture and add the egg mix into the yeast bowl. Yeah, try to get it all in. And start stirring and mixing to get them all well incorporated together. Now, add in your remaining flour and mix. Keep on mixing until you can say, I just can't do this anymore, just too hard. Then, flour your clean table and pour it all on. Now it's time to start kneading. If it gets a bit too dry, don't worry, simply wet your hands and continue kneading. Keep going for about 5 to 8 minutes. And you really know you're done when you press on the dough and it springs back, gluten fighting against you. Wash your bowl and get rid of all those extra bits stuck on, and dry it extremely well. Oil it up with extra virgin olive oil, rub it all over the sides of the bowl, and plop your dough in. Cover it with a damp towel, turn off the lights, and just let it rest in a dark area for 2 hours or so it can double in size. Time's done and nice and great rise. There we go. Flour your surface well. You don't want to get the dough stuck onto it. Gently take that bad boy out and lay him down. Get your rolling pin, flour it up, and time to start rolling. Keep rolling into a rectangular-like shape, just until it's about ½ an inch thin. Now cut your bun portions. I'm cutting about 6 of them. 1 or 2 are going to be a bit smaller than the rest. And form your dough balls. With each cut, fold it on itself until it makes nice balls. There we go. Get a baking tray. Place your baking paper on top, flour it ever so slightly, and balls go on, not too close. Loosely wrap it with saran wrap and cover with a cloth to keep them in a dark area. Let them rise for about 2 hours or until they double in size. Now while you wait, scroll down and hit the subscribe button. That'll let you keep up with all these incredible videos that we have coming up. Now that is more than double. Wow. Gently remove the plastic wrap and time to bake. In the oven it goes at 350 for about 15 to 18 minutes. Keep an eye on them. Put a tray of water at the bottom to get a nice crunch on that bread. Time's up, and those are perfectly golden brown. Wow. Let them sit and rest untouched for about 20 minutes to cool down. Oh, those are nice. Just look how perfectly they came out. Now, it's time to make our Impossible Burgers. Plant-based with 17 grams of protein, no animal hormones, and no cholesterol. Not too bad. And just to make sure, yep, OU stamped and Pareve. So, not a problem to have with dairy. Exciting stuff. But now let's see how it handles, looks, and cooks compared to real minced meat. Shaping the patties to the portion sizes we like. Feels a bit different, but look at them. The color is almost exactly the same as beef, even has those little white marks. Very cool so far. Added another 2, and seasoning just like real burgers. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. In the indoor grill air fryer it goes, on high heat, face down. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Three minutes in, and let's flip. Looking pretty darn good so far. Grilling just like beef, to be honest. And look at that, it's actually bleeding like meat too. That's pretty awesome. Now keep on cooking until it's cooked the way you like it. And time to get them out. Let's get them all. Little guy trying to get away. Now buns in the grill, just to get some grill marks. Not for too long, just a couple of minutes. And out they go. And now it's time to build the burger. Starting with our bun and some mayo. Adding in some ketchup. Bloop! And mustard, of course. Lettuce. Now the burger. Looks pretty standard right now. Not exactly the same look as beef, but let's keep going. A bit more ketchup and cheddar cheese. Remember, these are Pareve burgers, so cheese is not a problem. Some tomatoes, a sprinkle of salt, and the top bun. Is it just me or does the top bun look a little bit grumpy? Let's go ahead and fix that. There we go. Much better. Now for the most important part.
Impossibly Kosher with Impossible Burgers. Just so you know, this meat is fully Pareve. It is a vegan, plant-based burger. Here we go. It has a taste like meat, very close. Not quite as juicy, but while it was cooking, it was bleeding out like meat. Very good. Very, very good. Cheers.
And there we have it. The Impossible Burger, tested and tried, and definitely adding this one to our recommended list. Great meat-like flavor and texture, and topped with a wonderful fresh bun. Now that, my friends, is Impossibly Kosher. How awesome was that video? Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up and ring that bell to get notified of future videos just released.